Drivin Ivan here with a very clean C32 AMG. It's like a 3.2 liter engine, and man, it just looks good. This is the owner of this place, German Auto Sales, and it's got some cool German cars in here, including a very cool 190 inside. But I think this is just a really cool car. I'll show you what's inside real quick. Why not? Because that's cool stuff. And believe it or not, this is actually a copy of the 300 SL. Wow. It's like a 190 SL looking, really, but cool Maserati too. But they're mostly German car dealer. Carrera S here, and yeah, there you go. Just wanted to give you a quick video inside, and headed back outside with the cool C32. What's the engine?
3.2 liter V6 supercharged.
Yeah. What year?
2004.
Cool. So there you go. And they got a 944 up here too. Nice car. Check out my review of the 944. Just Google Drivin Ivan and any car. Porsches, Mercedes. I have 3 SL videos because I've owned 3. I currently own a baby blue with blue, aqua blue and blue Mercedes SL. Just Google Drivin Ivan in your favorite car. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and check out all my other car videos, disc golf videos, documentaries, literal video for Chris Isaac's Wicked Game. I'm Drivin Ivan.